Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture of C++ programming. This is lecture number 5 and today we will talk about what are C++ variables and how we can use these variables. Basically, variables are containers for storing data values. In C++, there are different types of variables defined with different keywords. For example, in this slide we have int. Int mean integer, store integers, whole numbers without decimals, such as 123 or minus 123. These are example values. Next we have double, stores floating point numbers with decimals such as 19.99 or minus 19.99. Then we have character, char, stores single characters such as a or b. Character values or chr values are surrounded by single quotes. Then we have string, stores text such as hello world. String values are surrounded by double quotes. And at the end we have bool, which stores values with two states, true or false. Now we will see how to declare a variable in C++. To create a variable, specify the type and assign it a value. Where type is one of C++ type such as integer, float, double, etc. And variable name is the name of the variable such as x or my name. The equal sign is used to assign values to the variables. Here we have the example in which we are declaring a variable, then assigning a value to this variable, and by using cout object, we are going to print this value onto the screen. So create a variable called mynum of type integer, assign it the value 15. You can also declare a variable without assigning the value and assign the value later as we are doing in this example. Now we have another example. In first line, we are defining a variable of type integer and variable name is mynum and assign the value 15 to this variable. Then we are reassigning the value 10 to the same variable. Note that if you assign a new value to an existing variable, it will override the previous value. And in the end or in the third line, we are printing the current value of the variable mynum. Here we have demonstration of other types as well. In first line, we have integer type variable mynum and we are assigning value 5 to this variable. In second line, we have my float num variable with the type double and we are assigning 5.99 to it. In third line, we have char character type variable my letter and we are assigning value d. And in the fourth line, we have string variable of name my text and we are assigning hello string to it. At fifth line, we have bool my boolean variable and we are assigning true to this variable. The cout object is used together with the double less than operator to display variables. To combine both text and a variable, separate them with the double less than operator. In this example, we have an integer called my age and we are assigning 35 to it. And in the next line, we are printing the value of my age and before my age there is a string called I am and after my age there is another string called years old. So this out object, cout object will display I am 35 years old. In this example, we will see how to add the variables of same data type. Like we have integer type x and y, and x has value 5 and y has 6. And in int sum, we are assigning the sum of x and y with plus operator. To add a variable to another variable, you can use the plus operator and cout will display the result of x plus y. In this example, we are declaring many variables. To declare more than one variable of the same type, use a comma separated list. You can see x is equal to 5, then comma, y is equal to 6, then comma, and z is equal to 50. And in cout, we are adding x plus y plus z and see the result in display. So guys, you can also assign the same value to multiple variables in one line. In line number 2, you can see we are assigning 50 to x, y and z, and at the end we are displaying the sum of x plus y plus z, and you can see the output. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you liked the lecture. Please like and subscribe our channel Learn to Code Now for more exciting videos and informative lectures. Thank you so much.